chapter number 2, the minimal requirement that you need to have to start monetizing your YouTube channel, right? But in order for you to monetize, you actually have to have certain things prepared. It's right. You can't just go in and make a video and then like instantly think like, oh, you're gonna be rich. There are small little things that you have to do. Very easy, absolutely free things that you have to do. So I encourage you to do it. You have to do it actually. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. At least get this thing out of the way. So now you are qualified to just start doing. Okay. So the first one obviously is have a Gmail account. We all have a Gmail account. You're ready. You're good to go. You have Gmail account. You actually then will automatically have a YouTube account. So now you could log into YouTube using your Gmail account, and there it is. There's your YouTube account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, I'd recommend you getting one. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Another tip, pick a fun username. So YouTube does have a minimum requirement for you to actually start being monetized, and that is to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views. I know when you don't have any subscribers and you have no views, I know that sounds like a lot, but like I said, don't even think about it. Use that beginning phase as practice, as just getting prepared and just getting your feet wet. So obviously, even for me too, and I'm sure with a lot of people out there as well too, I'm sure the first sets of videos were just horrible. I know mine was. So don't think of it like, oh my gosh, it's a horrible video, I'm not gonna upload it. Upload it. Just do it and upload it, and it's gonna get better. You're not gonna get the views, but eventually you're gonna get the views as you're putting more videos up, and YouTube is seeing that you're serious and that you're really into making these videos and that you will be consistent. And the more consistent you are and more quality stuff they start improving and getting better, the more YouTube will reward you with views and stuff like that. So another thing you need to prepare with is creating an AdSense account. AdSense is old school. It's been around for a long time, since Google was around, and that's Google way of you creating ads for them. So if you have a Gmail account, you automatically have an AdSense account, but you just have to now activate it, right? So it's all linked up together. And back then, I was using the banner ads to put in my websites, and every time someone sees my banner ads, and I'm sure you see it all over websites everywhere, right? If someone looks at it, then you get a fraction of a cent. If someone actually clicks on it, you get some more money. So that's how you're making YouTube money. AdSense account is linked to your YouTube video. Every time a commercial is being played and somebody watches that commercial that's right behind, right in front of your video, then you make some money out of that. If someone just watches for a couple seconds, you make small amount. If someone actually watches the whole thing, you make a little bit more. So the more commercials that you get to play and have people watch, the more money that you make. And you see it in some of those podcasts and long videos. They have a commercial in the beginning, commercial in the middle, commercial in the end, and they are just stacking up their money flow. So that's a great way. I mean, that's like the main way you make money from YouTube. YouTube isn't the one that's giving you the money. It's Google AdSense that's giving you the money. So create that account. And also you need to create a PayPal account if you don't already have it. So that way Google AdSense has a easy method of getting you paid. So all these accounts are absolutely free, and it's free because they encourage the users to make all these ads and videos, so that way they could make all the money advertising for clients. So luckily, to make money in YouTube, you don't need much money at all. So what a cheap way and the most inexpensive way of starting a business, of sharing your passion and talking about what you love and eventually making money with your YouTube videos. All right, so lastly, what you need to create and prepare yourself is you also need a website. So you need a website because if you want to have an Amazon affiliate link, which I'll talk about in the next chapter, is that's how they know that you're serious. If you don't have a website, they're just gonna think like, oh my God, just a regular person, just thousands of people requesting to become an affiliate. That's gonna waste their time. It's gonna waste everyone's time, right? They don't want to do that. They want to make sure that you're serious. And having a website is one way of showing that you're serious. But on top of that, having a website and posting your YouTube videos into your website increases SEO. It increases views. So when people are searching, for example, on how to take photos with your DSLR, then my website might pop out because I got descriptions, I got a YouTube video in there. And then when they go into it, then it will link to the YouTube video. It will link to some of my Amazon affiliate links of the products, the cameras that I purchased and that I'm talking about. Having a website is something you need to do, but it will also help you increase your views. So definitely go to places like WordPress.com, Blogger.com. I use WordPress. There's so many free websites out there. So just go ahead, go there, and then just create a free WordPress account. Very easy to do. It's kind of like making a Facebook account. So just follow the step, and as you're making your videos in the beginning, link it to your WordPress. Just copy and paste the link into your WordPress. It's that simple. You just copy a URL, and when you paste the URL into your WordPress edit area, the video will just automatically pop out. They make it so easy for people to make websites now. So definitely not a difficult thing to do. And there's so many YouTube videos on how to make websites too, but you definitely don't need to do that. They make it as easy as possible for everyone to make a free website. So go there and make a free website. Buy a URL if you can. GoDaddy.com. They're only like $10-12 if it's not taken. Get all those accounts situated, and then now it's time to go.